Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me an email and they've lost it's actually called tool tips. He called it tool hints. If you hover over your zoom tool or your tool or your shape tool or your landscape tool or your landscape, all these tools don't show up what they're going to do. Well, somehow he's inadvertently checked something off. So if we go to tools and options, normally I go to customization, but this time I'm going to go to CorelDraw and then go to display, and right here, show tool tips. We're going to do that, hit OK. Of course, I'd go to tools and save as default. Then when you hover over your zoom tool, it shows you zoom tool. It shows you virtual segment delete key, shape tool, portrait, landscape, drawing units, nudge distance. That's pretty important when you're first learning. I think it would be important at any time. It actually, normally your 3-point curved line isn't that, it's a freehand tool. So when you hover over it, you can see you have the freehand tool, the rectangle tool. I don't know how you would accidentally turn that off, but somehow he did. And always, if you can't figure something out, a lot of people don't like doing this because they've got a bunch of stuff saved. But if you shut down Corel, hold F8 and restart Corel, holding it down, it'll reset everything back to default. Then you got to go back and pick whatever you draw at, if you draw in a hairline like I do, and your everything, but it's not that big a deal. And there's actually a way to save your worksheet, but I've got a couple of videos on that. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.